manners ka, Abante, para sa akin pong as a practical life coach, hindi po kinakailangang bago ang relationship para lang nakakakilig siya. Pwedeng kahit 5 years na kayo, 10 years na kayo, 15 years na kayo, and so on and so forth, pwedeng iyan ay nakakakilig pa rin. It depends on your gesture, no? Cause like Trisha, hindi naman po sa pagbabangka sa sarili ko, pero I was saying a while ago, I'm the type of person that I really value special occasions, and I make it a point that every week kami ni wifey ay may date night, no? Hindi kailangang sobrang extravagant, but I make it a point that every week I bring her out on a date. Especially if there are new places in our community na bagong restaurant, I make it a point that we try it kaagad. Because why is it important na makapag-date kayo? Hindi ko sinasabing pag nag-date kayo, automatic kikiligin po kayo kahit 20 years na kayo, ha? Pero, in a way, it keeps the romance alive. Kasi, lalo na kung magde-date kayo, na you will really dress up, you will make parang effort to really look good in the eyes of your partner. That's a big thing, not only for your partner, but without you knowing, that's also good for yourself. Because, hindi mo napapansin, pati ikaw, nai-inlove ka na sa sarili mo. At pag na-inlove ka sa sarili mo, dahil ang ganda or gwapo mo, you will feel good about yourself. And when you feel good about yourself, you become a better partner.